Still editing audio the old-fashioned way? Time to level up. Fish Audio turns long text into real, expressive sound. Want it more human? Type the command. It feels real because it sounds real.
I don't know, maybe it's my fault. I thought things would get better. I don't know, maybe it's my fault. I thought things would get better.
If the voice library doesn't have the sound you like, just upload a clip and clone it in seconds. Type the info, upload the raw sound material, create, and have a listen.
Hey guys, so I was just hanging out with Harrison yesterday and we're trying to figure out this new PlayStation game, right?
One more thing. Fish Audio Premium, only $9.99 per month. 50% off expired by April 11th. All sounds, one click.